Kids Let's Draw. Today we're gonna draw shaved ice.
Shaved ice. It is summer, and we had fun drawing the popsicle.
Yeah.
And we love to do what in summer?
Eat.
I love to eat. We love to barbecue, but we love to go as a family and buy shaved ice, right?
Yeah.
So let's do it. It's summer. Let's draw shave ice. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. All right, everybody, we are going to draw a fun shave ice character. So let's get our black markers, Sharpie or whatever, and we're gonna do a big, round shave ice shape because I like my shave ice to be tall. So let's go big and puffy. Good job, that looks great. And we're gonna connect this line kind of down to this line, so like a half circle.
Okay.
Good job. So now we got the top of our shave ice. And shave ice always come in those fun like cups, right?
Yeah.
That are kind of like
Flower.
the flower top to catch the spills and the drips. So right here we're gonna start on the edge and we're gonna do some flower shapes.
Okay.
Squiggly, squiggly flower shapes. Kind of looks like a flying saucer.
Yeah.
It looks like a flying saucer or like a jellyfish.
Or like an egg with a big yolk.
Yes, it does. So now, let's draw the rest of the cup. So we're going to come down here and bring it down. 1, 2, and 3. Same thing over here. 1, 2, and 3. So there's the bottom of the cup. And let's give our fun character some feet. What do you
Okay.
think? Let's have him pointing kind of inward. So 1 foot, 2 feet. There's the bottom. Okay, that looks great. Good job. So eyes. Let's do some eyes. What kind of eyes should we do, Olivia?
Big eyes.
Big round eyes? All right.
Yeah.
So let's do some big circles right here. I'll do a circle there.
Oops.
And I'll do another one. Same size over here. And let's do a mouth. What should our mouth be?
It should be licking
Kind of on
its
the
lips.
Licking its lips, of course, because it's about ready to eat some shaved ice.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. So in our eye, let's do another circle. Inside and inside. And should we keep the eyes? Let's do a big white, a big white. Actually, let's do another white just for fun, smaller. Okay, so let's color this part in black real quick. Everyone color around these white circles, leaving them white as our highlights. Huh,
Yeah.
these are fun.
Yeah.
I love shave ice. What's your favorite flavor of shave ice?
Pina colada.
Pina colada?
Yeah.
I like tiger's blood. It sounds gross, but strawberry and coconut, I think is what it is, right?
Yeah. Pretty sure.
Cool. Well, that looks cute. I like it.
Thanks.
Okay, so should we give our eyes some eyelashes? 1,
Yeah.
2, 1, 2. And some fun eyebrows, little eyebrows. Oh, it looks like a baby shave ice just hanging out. Let's give our shave ice a little hand holding a spoon. So over here, do a little dot, or a little arm. And right here we're gonna do a spoon coming out, around, and stop. And the hand's gonna go behind the spoon, kind of come in a, connect to the body. Bottom of the spoon can come out. And this hand over here is gonna be easier, it's just gonna be kind of hanging out. All right, so.
This looks like one of those Shopkins.
It does?
Yeah.
All right, so this is cute. let's color our shaved ice. Any color you want. You can do a rainbow flavor, red, pink, bubblegum, whatever. So we're gonna fast forward and color our shave ice.